Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to solve question number 2 of weekly contest 491. Minimum cost to split into ones. So let's read the problem statement. You are given an integer n. In one operation, you may split an integer x into two positive integers a and b such that a plus b is equal to x. And the cost of this operation is a into b. So we have to return an integer denoting the minimum total cost required to split the integer n into n ones. So here, if you see this example number 1, n is equal to 3. So n is equal to 3. So first you split it like this, 1 and 2, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 only. But the cost is 1 into 2. This is nothing but cost. That is nothing but 2 here. Clear? Now here we are going to get 1. But what we need n ones. So here now we have to split this 2. So how you can write this 2? You can write this 2 like this, 1 plus 1. So in this case the cost is 1 into 1, that is nothing but 1. So now we have n ones, 1 2 3. So now total cost to do this, 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 3. This is your output. Clear this part? Now here if you see n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4. So you can write this like this, na, 1 plus 3. So cost for this is nothing but 1 into 3 is equal to 3. This is nothing but your cost. Tell me one thing, n is equal to 4. So what is the best way to split this so that you get minimum cost? You can do like this, you can do like this, you can write it like this also. So here if you see, this is the best way, na, to divide this 4 into some smaller numbers. 1 plus 3, we can't write it like this, 0 plus 4. So it's the same thing, 4 only, na, it's just 4 only, we didn't break it anywhere, right? So in these ways you can split. So here you are going to get cost 3, 1 into 3, na. Here you are going to get cost 4, here you are going to get cost 4. So this is the best way, na, to do this. So let's do this then. All right, so this is what you are doing here. Okay, now here you can further split this like this, na, 1 plus 2. So here 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So now cost is 1 into 2 is 2. You can further split this 2 now, 1 plus 1. So this time the cost is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. That's it. So here see, we are getting 4 ones, 1 2 3 4. That's it. So here I'm splitting this now further. Here I'm splitting this further, but in the end if you see, total 4 fours I am getting, and the cost is 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is your output. Clear this part? And now here if you see this, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 5. So you can write it like this, na, 1 plus 5. This is the best cost, na, 1 plus 5. If I do, then I'm going to get 1 into 5 as the cost. I can do like this, 2 plus 3, but in this case I'm getting the cost 6. Let's not do this, na, 2 into 3. I can write 5 like this, but cost here I'm getting 6 if I do like this. So let's choose this, na. So here I'm going to get 1 into 5, that is nothing but 5. Now split this 5 further, 1 plus 4. Then I'm going to get 1 into 4, that is nothing but 4 only. And here 4 you can further split, 1 plus 3. So here you are going to get 1 into 3, that is nothing but 3 only. Now this 3 you can further split, 1 plus 2 you can write. So here you are going to get 1 into 2, that is nothing but 2 only. This 2 you can further split, 1 plus 1. So you are going to get 1 into 1 is equal to 1 only. So now here in this case you are seeing 5 ones, right? 1 2 3 4 and 5 6. Okay, so here I am actually taking 1 plus 5, na, 1 plus 5, it's nothing but 6 now. So let's say n is equal to 6. Let's say n is equal to 6. So for 6, let's see what is the result. So for 6, if you see what is the result, you are getting 5, 4, 9, uh, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So for n is equal to 66, you are getting 15 as a result. Same before n is equal to 5. Let me do, I mistakenly here write 1 plus 5, na? That is 6 actually. So here I have to start from 1 plus 4 actually here. So 1 into 4 is 4 cost. So 4 you can write it 1 plus 3. So cost is 3. 3 you can write it as 1 plus 2. So that is nothing but the cost is 2. Now this 2 you can write it as 1 plus 1. So cost is nothing but 1 this time. So here the 4 plus 3 is 7, 8, 9, 10. You are getting 10 here. So now from all these examples, one thing is clear. Here if you see, for n is equal to 3, output is 3. For n is equal to 4, output is 6. And for n is equal to 5, output is 10. N is equal to 5, output is 10. And for n is equal to 6, output is 15. So from here if you see, this is nothing but the sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to 2. This is nothing but the sum of all the natural numbers. N is equal to 4 na. Sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to n minus 1, 1 to 3. N is equal to 5, so simply means sum of all the first 4 natural numbers this time, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Here if you see n is equal to 6, this is nothing but a sum of all the numbers up to 5 this time, 1 to n minus 1. So here you calculate na, 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah. So you are seeing this pattern, right, every time. So if n is equal to 3, just do the sum of all the numbers 1 to up to n minus 1. That is nothing but 2. So 3. Here you are doing the sum of all the numbers from 1 to n minus 1. That is nothing but 1 to up to 3. So that is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 6. Clear this part? So that's it. That's it. So here, that's what we need to write, right? So here if you notice also why I'm able to derive this formula. So if you see all these examples, so how I'm breaking this n? I am breaking this n like this na, 1 plus n minus 1. This is how I'm breaking every time in this formula, 1 plus n minus 1. So see, 1 plus 2 I'm getting, and then this 2 I'm splitting, 1 plus again n minus 1. So n is 2 this time, so 1. So see here, that's why this is coming. And here for n is equal to 3, if you see 1 and 2 I'm seeing here in the cost. For n is equal to 4, if you see, we are seeing 1, 2 and 3. And here for n is equal to 6, if you see, we are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For n is equal to 5, if you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So very easy now. Very easy now. We will be able to solve this problem in just of one time complexity. We have to just simply write this formula. What is the sum of first n natural numbers? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. So what is the sum of first n natural numbers? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula for first n natural numbers. But in our case, we are doing this up to 1 plus 2 plus up to n minus 1 we are doing. We are not doing until n. So in our case, the sum of first n minus 1 natural number is nothing but, instead of n, just write n minus 1. Here into, instead of n, write n minus 1 and plus 1. And here divided by 2. These two cancel out. So you are going to get n minus 1 into n divided by 2. So this is the formula. So here let's move to the code. So see here, just one line, n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So n we are splitting every time like this, 1 plus n minus 1. So here in this case you are going to get cost n minus 1 only na, 1 into n minus 1. Then n minus 1 you are further splitting it like this, 1 plus again n minus 2, right? So n you are dividing it like this, 1, and here you are writing n minus 1. So this is nothing but, overall this is nothing but n only na. Then you have to split this n minus 1. So how you are splitting this n minus 1? 1 plus here n minus 1 again minus 1. So that is nothing but 1 plus n minus 2. So this is how you are splitting this. So now see here, 1 plus n minus 2, that's why it is coming. The cost is nothing but n minus 2 into 1. So n minus 2. N minus 2 you are splitting like this. So at some position it will become 2. It is always decrementing by 1 na. so it will go to 2. So here in this case 1 plus 1, so cost 1. So here see 1 and up to here you are doing the sum. So 1, then here it will, you will see 2 plus 3, then after that you will see n minus 3, then you will see n minus 2, then you will see n minus 1. So up first sum of first n minus 1 natural numbers. So that's what you are returning here. That's it. So time complexity is of 1. So I hope that you guys are clear with question number 2 of weekly contest 491. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Until the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.